Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about this beautiful Mercedes from the brand Rhino models. Now I did a couple of more reviews about vehicles from Rhino models. This Mercedes-Benz 500 SEC in silver and black, and I did a review about the Toyota Land Cruiser. You can find it on my YouTube channel. Have to be honest. Yeah, as you can see, this is still in the plastic, so I haven't done a review about this one yet. But I can tell you it is a great model. And they come with a new one, and this one is even better. Already took it out of the package because I made a short video of it. Couldn't wait any longer. So this is the package, Rhino model. It is diecast, metal body, metal base. 1/64 scale. Comes in a nice display case. You can see Mercedes-Benz W201 190E. It also comes with a photo. And here we have some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Is it a licensed model? Yeah, I think it's licensed by a Rhino model. So that means no. Okay, let's have a look at the model. Let's have a quick look around. License plate and the metal base. First of all, when it came, the windscreen wiper was not on the car. It was somewhere loose in the display case. So I looked up some pictures, and the windscreen wiper is actually lying this way, but it has an opening part right here. And I thought maybe it's better to put it like this. So I glued it like this, and I think it looks very cool. Yes, there is also an open part right here. How cool is that? I love that. And we got the Mercedes-Benz logo. Look how small it is. I love those small details, but you have to be careful. It could easily break. Lanced rear lights. Very cool spoiler right here, which is also metal, I believe. That is awesome. Do we have good rolling wheels? Well, in the front, no. Maybe it's this model. Yeah, it is rolling a little bit, but not very well. See, something is wrong here. But the back, not bad at all. So maybe it's only for this model. I don't know. Let's have a look a little bit further. So there is even here V8 turbo, or is it a V6? I think it's V8. Then we're going to have a look at the interior. Let's get the light right here. So we got a red interior. I need a different light. There we go. It is way too sharp. This is better, right? Black steering wheel, and also black on the dashboard. So two colors, red and black. Seats are red bucket seats. Like the wind. I like the side mirrors, by the way. And there is also a side mirror in the middle. Roll cage in the car. Heating in the back window, very realistic. Nice spoiler in the back, which feels like plastic. So here we got the back with a license plate. Thank you very much for that. And lanced lights. Metal base, like the profile on the tires. Normal screws, so if you want to do some customizing with it, that is possible. But I think it looks good already. Then the opening part. Let's go do it like this with some light. How cool is this? This is looking fantastic, beautiful. I love it. 2 colors. Wonderful. Yeah. They're also releasing another version of this one. I already did a pre-order, but this one on Aliexpress. You can look it up for yourself. Rhino models 164 scale. And you can probably also find some other models of this very cool, unfortunately non-licensed Diecast brand. What a beauty. Okay, let me know what you think about it. Have a very good day. Please don't forget to smash the like button. You really help me with that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.